I use Instamojo to collect the payments for courses and ebooks, but the problem with Instamojo is that they don't provide integration with any tool. So we can use Zapier to collect the data from Instamojo and push that data to any Excel sheet. So I'm going to explain this process. So first of all, you should create one Excel sheet, Google Excel sheet, in which you can write the name, the fields that you want to capture, and then you can make one webhook from Zapier, and then you will find this option of creating webhooks. So we will create a webhook which will pick the data from Instamojo and push the data to ITR filing course data, because I launched this course for income tax filing, and for that whatever information I will collect, I will push that into this Excel sheet. So catch hook, save next. It's very easy process, just continue from here. So this is a hook that you can copy to test, and in the options of your product in Instamojo you will find the option in the advanced settings, webhook. So you click on the webhook, paste this URL and update that. So I have created one discount code, free code, to test this out. So for testing whether my data is getting captured and coming to Zapier, I can just make a payment here for the email ID and phone number, whatever you want to give. So this is saying successful, and then I can check from here. So Zapier will test whether it has received the data from Instamojo or not. So it's saying successful, so we will continue from here. We have to push this data to Google Sheets. We will click on Google Sheets, and we have to create a new row when we will get new order. So I have already integrated my Zapier with my email address. You can do for your account. After completing this step, we have to push the data into ITR file course. So we will pick the spreadsheet ITR filing course data, and out of that the sheet is sheet number 1. You can check that sheet number 1 from this sheet, and it is showing me the same fields that I have created here: name, email ID, phone number and discount code. So to match this data with whatever we received from Instamojo, so this is the data from Instamojo, buyer name Pradeep. So we will pick that data from Instamojo data and match that with the field from Excel sheet. And similarly email ID, so you can find the email ID from here. Phone number, you can find the phone number here. From next time it will automatically pick the data from the new orders that you will receive through Instamojo. Discount code, here is the discount code, and we will just continue. It is asking send test data to Google Sheet. We will say OK. Finish, and let's see. So we received the data in Excel sheet. So now it's up to you what kind of email tool or other tool you are using, where you want to use this data. So you can make another Zap to integrate this spreadsheet that you just received, to push that data to any other app. That's it.